At this point in time, you guys know the drill. If you want a free training, click the link in my description. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you do, because 90% of the people viewing this video right now are not subscribed. I would appreciate if you would. And also, if you want to learn more about trading, follow me on Instagram. I post on there pretty much daily on my story, and you can also send me a message if you want private help. Now, without further ado, let's get in the video. Now, before we get started, I want to remind you that my program is still on sale. If you want to get involved, just go to rorfx.com or click the link in the description. And once you go to get started right here, use this promo code. It's going to give you 25% off, not 15% off. Go right here to add promo code, type in FX4. This code is only valid for the next 5 people, so if you're watching this, definitely take action. Okay. I can't tell you how perfect the markets were today, guys. I caught the most perfect setup right after the market opened. And this was my ideal perfect setup, you can say. We can see that we have this beautiful V pattern right here. This was the market open right here. So this candle was the market open right here, right at 6:30 to 6:35. I waited, like I tell you guys all the time, like, guys, I'm waiting till 6:35. I'm not trading at the open of the market at 6:30. So I saw this beautiful spinning top, and I was like, bruh, this thing is going to skyrocket. I already knew that we were in an uptrend, so this was basically a higher high, and this was our higher low. So we have a higher high or a higher low with a beautiful V pattern in it. And then we have our spinning top, our reversal candle. And also, let me show you guys a couple of other things. We have a rejection of our 20 moving average right here. So once I saw this candle close above that 20 moving average, I was like, all right, we're pretty much set for a beautiful setup right here. This is looking incredibly good. So I did enter a position right off this candle right here. This is my initial setup that I took. So I went long right there. I had my stops right above that wick right there. So like right around here, around 400 pips. And then I actually did target just a little above this psychological level right here of 34,500. I knew that we had broken before and it came to retest this support, whatever this is down here. So I knew it was going to smash through it. I honestly should have targeted this golden zone that I have marked up, or this previous high right here, because it smashed through that level right there, completely broke through it. But this is the setup that I took today, and it was absolutely perfect. And I want to show you guys what you could have done as well. So let's bring up 2 of these charts, and I've explained this in one of my previous videos. We're going to go to present time. Okay. Alright, then on this chart, we're going to go to the 1-minute chart. So this is an overall breakdown on what I do after I'm in a position. So I'll enter a position on the 5-minute chart. That will be my first position that I'll enter off a reversal candle. A really, really solid looking candle where I know for a fact the market is just going to shoot up the whole other direction. So I got that entry right here. This was at 6:35. So if we go right here to 6:35, right here's where I entered on the 1-minute chart. Now we can see that we already had a reaction within the first 1 minute, then the next 2 minutes, then the next 3 minutes, and 4 minutes. So as you're in these trades like this, when you see it going up, you can go down to the 1-minute chart and look for any continuation candles. Any candles that are going to tell you, like, look, it's just going to keep going up, just add another position here on this candle. So that I didn't do this today, but usually I will do that. And today you could have done that. So right here at 6:37, once this candle closed, you could have added a position right there. This candle would have been very nice, and I'm going to explain why. Because when we're in an uptrend, we want to enter on continuation candles that have wicks to the downside. And that's vice versa if we're in a downtrend. So right here, we can see that this candle has a wick to the downside and a very bullish body right there. So that's a really good candle to enter on right there. You could have entered right there and just had your stop right below it, or the next candle below, or the third candle below it. Or you could have had your stops at the same level that your first initial entry was at. But as I'm going through, I could see like, all right, this is a good position. Let me add another position on this candle right here. And let me add another one right here. So we can see by this point, because yeah, if we look right here at 34,578, so right here, like 34,578, this is when it hit TP, right around this candle right here on the 1 minute chart. So that would have been like pretty much done with that trade already. And we can see that trade within one 5 minute candle, it shot up 1,400 pips. 1,400 pips in 5 minutes. So that's why I'm telling you guys not to rush the markets. And the way that you need to think of yourself as a trader is like, you don't want to be a machine gunner where you're just unloading all these trades back to back to back to back to back. Like, you guys want to be a sniper where you're just taking one or two really good trades. You're just like, done. Walk away. And once you get those one or two really good trades, then you just walk away. You do your thing for the rest of the day. And that's why I only trade Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday, because Tuesdays are fire, guys. I'm not going to lie to you. Like, today is Tuesday, and it is super, super clean. Also, Thursdays are really clean, but Wednesdays are usually very choppy. They just consolidate. They're on a bunch of BS. So I kind of want to avoid Wednesdays, or I do avoid Wednesdays. So that was my breakdown for today. I also want to go over the 15-minute chart real quick. So let's go to the 15-minute chart. And I do this. This is also how it played out on the minute 15, which was perfect. So we can see right here on this 615 candle that closed at 630. That's a beautiful reversal candle right there. Beautiful spinning top. So that also is what gave me confirmation and told me, like, do you know what? This is most likely going to go up. It might do a little false breakout, a little dance to the bottom first before going up, but I know that it's going to go up. And if we go to the 1 hour, okay, we can see the 1 hour chart. If we look at this candle right here, the 5 a.m. to 6 a.m. candle was bullish as well. So that's basically telling us, like, look, it's probably going to go up as well with this next 1 hour candle. Then the 6 to 7 a.m. candle just straight shot up even more, hit our 200 EMA, and it looks like it's rejecting that. So we could see potential shorts for the rest of the day. But I'm not trading anymore. I caught my trade that I wanted to catch. Very, very good trade. You guys saw it on the 5-minute chart. And overall, like I said, I just looked for the V pattern, the trend we are already in, and I looked for the reversal candle within the V pattern or a continuation candle. So that was my setup for the day. Super good setup. Like I said, guys, if you want to get involved in the program, sign up right here. And then the code to use at checkout is FX4. That's going to give you 25% off. That's $75 off. It's a pretty damn good deal. So if you guys want to join, make sure you take action on that. See you on the next video, guys. Peace out.